Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to find your account number in Zpass. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Zpass, you can use our link in the description and you may get discounts and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing you need to do is to search on Google for Zpass. So just search on EasyPass and go to their EasyPass main website. So this is the EasyPass group dash home. So make sure that you go to the right website, and after that you will be redirected to this page, and right here on the right side there will be a customer service, so you can click it, and after you click it you will be redirected to their customer service page where you can see all the agency EasyPass agency that you can pick in order to find their contact information on that agency. So there's a bunch of agencies. So for example, I'm going to choose the EasyPass Delaware, or if you want you can choose EasyPass New York, but in this example, or in this video, I'm going to choose EasyPass Delaware agency, and right there on their agency I can see their branch location. So they are from this location and I can visit them personally, or I can contact their phone number. So this is their phone number, and I can only contact them to 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday to Friday, and 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. on Saturday. So make sure that you remember all the time period where you can contact them. And yeah, that's it. So after that, if you scroll down, you can also find a lot of information that may help you on the future. A lot of easy pass, information or contact information that you can use. But for now, this is for this agency, this is the only way to contact their customer service and ask them to find your EasyPass number, and they will help you right away by giving you guidelines on how to find your account number. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can find your account number on EasyPass. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.